Have you ever wished you could burn fat while you sleep? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you there's a simple drink you can take before bed that can actually help your body melt fat overnight, naturally, safely, and without starving yourself? Stay with me till the end of this video, because once you understand how this works, it might completely change the way you look at nighttime weight loss. But before we start, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to Vital Path Growth, where we share science-backed health tips to help you live better, look better, and feel better every single day. Now, let's get straight into it. Most people think weight loss only happens when you diet hard or spend hours in the gym. But the truth is, your body does some of its most important fat-burning work while you sleep. During deep sleep, your metabolism resets, your hormones balance, and your body repairs itself. And if you give it the right fuel before bed, you can actually help your body burn more fat, even while you rest. So, what's the drink that makes this possible? It's not a magic potion or an expensive supplement. It's a simple, natural combination of ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. Things that help detox your liver, calm your digestive system, and trigger fat breakdown. See, the reason so many people struggle with losing weight is not because they eat too much, it's because their metabolism slows down, especially at night. The liver gets clogged, digestion becomes sluggish, and your body stores fat instead of burning it. But when you drink the right mix before bed, you help your body do the opposite. You help it detox, digest, and burn. One of the key ingredients we're talking about today is lemon. Lemon water before bed can do wonders. It's packed with vitamin C, it cleanses the liver, and it boosts your metabolism while you sleep. But lemon alone isn't enough, because your body also needs something to balance your blood sugar levels and support fat breakdown. That's where the next ingredient comes in: cinnamon. Cinnamon not only adds a soothing flavor, but it also helps your body manage insulin and prevent late-night fat storage. Together, lemon and cinnamon create a powerful synergy that helps your body burn fat more efficiently. But here's something most people don't realize: the timing and temperature of the drink matter too. Drinking it warm, not hot, not cold, helps your body digest and absorb these nutrients faster. Warm liquids are gentle on your stomach and improve circulation, which helps trigger your body's nighttime metabolism. And if you really want to supercharge this drink, add a pinch of ginger. Ginger increases thermogenesis, that's your body's ability to produce heat and burn calories. It's like turning up the internal fat-burning engine. When you combine lemon, cinnamon, and ginger in warm water and drink it about 30 minutes before bed, something powerful happens. Your body begins to relax, your digestion improves, your liver gets a gentle detox, and as you sleep, your metabolism quietly keeps working. Now, before we go deeper into the science behind this drink and exactly how you can make it at home, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to lose weight even when they don't work out that much? They eat normally, they rest well, and somehow they look leaner. That's not luck. It's because their metabolism stays active even at rest. This drink can help you achieve the same thing by naturally keeping your fat-burning hormones in balance while you sleep. And don't worry, this isn't about crash diets or starving yourself. It's about helping your body do what it's already designed to do: burn fat efficiently. Once you understand how this works, you'll realize that nighttime might actually be your secret weapon for weight loss. So stay tuned, because in the next part, I'll tell you the exact recipe, the right proportions, and the one secret ingredient that makes this drink even more effective, especially for stubborn belly fat. All right, now let's talk about how to actually make this powerful bedtime drink, and why every single ingredient plays a vital role in helping you lose weight faster, even while you sleep. Remember, this isn't just a random home remedy. Each element in this drink is backed by real nutritional science. Start with a cup of warm water, not boiling, not cold, just comfortably warm. This is important because warm water helps activate digestion and improves blood circulation right before bed. Then, squeeze half a lemon into it. Lemon helps your liver flush out toxins, and when your liver is clean, it can process fat more effectively. Think of your liver as your body's fat-burning factory. If it's overloaded with toxins, it can't do its job properly. Lemon resets it. Next, Add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, or a small stick if you prefer natural cinnamon. Cinnamon helps control blood sugar levels, which is key for nighttime fat burning. See, when your blood sugar spikes before bed, your body stores that extra glucose as fat. But cinnamon keeps your blood sugar steady, allowing your body to use that energy instead of storing it. Now comes the secret metabolism booster, fresh ginger. Add a few thin slices or about half a teaspoon of grated ginger. Ginger has thermogenic properties. That means it increases your body temperature slightly, pushing your metabolism to work even while you rest. It's like telling your body, don't stop burning, keep working even while I'm asleep. To enhance the taste and give your drink a natural sweetness, you can add a teaspoon of pure organic honey, but only if your blood sugar levels are normal. Honey in small amounts helps relax your nerves, promotes better sleep, and gives your body a steady energy release overnight. Better sleep means better metabolism, because when your body is rested, your hormones balance out, especially leptin and ghrelin, the hormones that control hunger and fat storage. Now, mix all these ingredients well, let the drink sit for about 2 minutes, and then sip it slowly 30 to 40 minutes before bed. Don't rush it. Let your body feel the warmth. You'll notice your stomach feels lighter, your body relaxes, and over time, your metabolism starts becoming more efficient. Here's what happens next inside your body. As you sleep, your liver continues detoxing, your digestive system stays active but gentle, and your metabolism keeps burning calories, not aggressively, but steadily. When you do this regularly for 2 to 3 weeks, you start noticing changes. Your bloating decreases, your sleep gets deeper, and you wake up feeling lighter. That's your metabolism resetting itself. But let's be clear, no single drink will make you lose weight overnight. This is a powerful support tool, not a miracle cure. You still need to eat balanced meals and stay active. However, this drink works best when your dinner is light and eaten at least 2 hours before bed. For example, if you eat dinner at 7 p.m., take this drink around 9 or 9:15 p.m. and go to bed by 10. That's the perfect window for your body to do its magic. Now, you might be wondering, why before bed? Why not in the morning? That's a great question. See, in the morning your metabolism is naturally high and your body is in a fasted state. But at night, most people's metabolism drops. That's when fat storage increases, especially around the belly area. Drinking this mix before bed keeps your metabolism active and signals your body to keep burning rather than storing fat while you sleep. There's also another major reason: stress. Many people in the US experience high levels of stress, and stress triggers the hormone cortisol. Cortisol is the #1 enemy of fat loss, especially belly fat. But ingredients like cinnamon, lemon, and ginger help lower cortisol levels and calm your body before bed. That's why you not only burn fat, but you also sleep better and wake up refreshed. If you make this drink part of your nightly routine, you'll notice a chain reaction. Your digestion improves, your cravings reduce, your sleep quality increases, and your body becomes more efficient at burning fat naturally. You'll no longer wake up bloated or tired. Instead, you'll wake up with more energy, better focus, and a lighter feeling throughout the day. Now here's a bonus tip. Once or twice a week, you can enhance this drink by adding a small pinch of turmeric. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation, and inflammation is one of the biggest hidden causes of slow metabolism. Just a little bit goes a long way. But remember, never overdo any ingredient. The key is consistency, not excess. Before we wrap up this part, let's quickly recap. 1 cup of warm water, half a lemon, a pinch of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ginger, and a little honey if needed. Mix it, sip it slowly before bed, and give your body the time it needs to heal, repair, and burn fat naturally. If you follow this nightly habit, you'll start noticing real changes in your energy, your skin, your sleep, and most importantly, your weight. Stay tuned, because in the next part, I'll share how to combine this bedtime drink with one simple breathing and mindset technique that helps your body enter deep, fat-burning sleep faster than ever. It's easy, it's natural, and it's something you can start tonight.